SendSpark makes it really easy to create personalized videos at scale for your Mailshake emails. So you can just embed one video in an email, like this one where it says, hey there. And then when you send it to your recipients, it's automatically personalized for them. So you can see now it says, hey, Brandon, because we're pulling in Brandon's first name. The way you make this, you just go over to SendSpark and you can record or upload your video here. If you already have a video, just click on this upload button and you'll be able to upload any video you already have or import one over. And if you want to record a new video, click on start recording to record yourself, your screen, or yourself as a floating bubble over your screen, like I'm doing now. Once you have your video, you can click into it, and this is going to take you to the SendSpark edit page. And this is where you can add all of your personalization. So there's a few places you can add this. One is going to be like on the left, you see this header. This shows up above the video. So here it says, hey there. That's the fallback. So if the first name isn't in Mailshake for some reason, it's going to pull in there and the viewer will still have a nice, seamless experience. And then you can also add a note below your video in this message area. So you can add more personalization. And again, just click on this personalize option to add the first name, company name, or job title. And you can put anything you want in your call to action. I just have a get started free link, but you could also add a link to your calendar. So when people receive your emails, they're able to book a meeting and meet with you immediately. The last place you can add personalization is actually this video thumbnail. So this is what the person sees in the video before clicking on the video to watch it. And you can edit this, click share video, and then click on this customize option. And then this is where you can add like, hey, first name or some other information to the video thumbnail. When all looks good, you're ready to share it. All you need to do is click on this Mailshake button. If you don't see it, just click edit ad, and now you'll be able to modify the share options you see. So these are all of our integrations, and you can just make sure that Mailshake is selected and any other platforms used are selected. And then you can unselect the ones you don't use. So you just have a nice, clean, polished share modal. And again, when you're ready, click on Mailshake, and now you can go over to your email. Let me go back to the edit section here, sequence, and then I'm just going to delete this one so you can see it. So it's gone. All you want to do is paste this in. So you can click on it or Command V, Control V, whatever system you use, and you'll see the video thumbnail here. Mailshake gives you a little alert to use for your link, so that's fine. I'm going to just delete the second link for watch video, so we only have the video thumbnail. And then you can also write some more, like, let me know sometime about, I can't say that work for you to meet, whatever you want here. This is your email. So when you're done, just click save, and that's it. You're all ready to go. You can go over to this personalized section just to make sure that the personalization is pulling through the way you want. And if you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out to the SendSpark team. We're excited that you're going to be using video to connect at scale and more than happy to help. All right, happy recording.